Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem in Duolingo. Just guys watch this video and follow this video till the end. So, go to your settings of your phone, scroll down this list, click in the apps options, swipe up the screen and search for Duolingo, click in storage, click clear cache. You should go back and click on the first stop. After that, you should go to your Play Store or App Store and update your application. So that's all guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.